All right, next one goes here. Got it, lining it up. Lifting the last one now. Keep it even. More soil here. Watch your step. We need to cover this entirely. All right, that one goes there. Need a little more soil here. Yeah. Looking good, almost done with this section. Yeah. Just need to finish this last patch, leave the square open.
Good, the last vertical support is in. Looks solid. The frame is complete. Time to get this ceiling done.
All right.
Installing the lights now.
All right.
All installed, turning off the old light.
All right, desk is set. Chair's good. Bed's ready. Looks perfect.